Hello teacher, my name is Edson Morales Montaño and this is my daily routine. My name is Edson. I live in San Juan del Brigancho. Every day I wake up at the 6 in the morning to get ready and go to university. First I take a shower and get dressed, and at 6:30 I have breakfast with my family. I drink a cup of coffee with milk, eat bread with cheese and some fruit, while we talk about our plans for the day. At 7 I leave home and take transportation to get to the university. My class starts at 8 the morning, where I listen to my professors, take notes, and participate in academic activities. At 12:30 in the afternoon, I have lunch with my friends at the university cafeteria. After resting for a while, I continue my class from 1:30 to 4 in the afternoon. Then from 4:30 to 6 in the evening, I go to the library to do homework, study, and work on my university projects. At 7, I return home, have dinner with my family, and talk with them about how our day went. Finally, from 8 to 10 at night, I review my notes and prepare my activities for the next day. At 10:30, I go to bed to rest and recover energy. Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.